Would you like that?
You know, once I killed a chicken. It was like really, really scary. Like we had this chicken, and we had too many roosters. It's actually a rooster, and there was too many on this farm. We had to kill the chickens, and so she says, "Oh, you want to help me kill a chicken?" So I took him and I put him in a bag and I slammed him up against the wall, and I felt like, you know, like one of them really bad dudes, like Jeffrey Dahmer. Is he a bad guy or something? Anyways, I slammed and I felt really bad that I actually enjoyed killing this chicken. You know, I just really, like, I felt really, I don't know why, but I felt like I wanted to grab another chicken and kill another chicken, and I got this urge to kill chickens now, and it's consuming me. You know, so I don't know what the heck I'm going to do about this. So do you know that every Friday night, but then I got over my killing of chickens fetish, my thing about killing chickens, and the way I got over it was I took up juggling.